Every journey begins with a single step into the unknown. From breathtaking landscapes to vibrant cultures. Travel isn't just about where you go, but the stories you bring back. Join us as we explore the world, one destination at a time. I'm going to show you how to make this animated travel slide. Let's start. Go on Open Video Project, and we are going to use this photo. Make the title first. Make the title in the middle of the photo. And make the shadow and download. Download as PNG. Upload it again. And delete this. Go to Elements. And write Real Plane. We are going to use this one. Go to Shapes and choose any color you want. I'm going to use this one and fill this space. Click on the plane. Layers and bring to front. And select all group and drag the image to the left the group. Group all the elements, including the plane. Drag to the left and duplicate. Here you can write your text. Let's for example. I write travel. Let's make time for this. And animation this. Light. Show. Timing and make the timing after travel. And made with the beeline as well. And go to transitions and make match. Go to Transitions. And make match and move. Go to the second page. And move the plane to the right. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe my channel.